Take a look at this beautiful 1957 Pontiac Star Chief convertible. Second generation Star Chief. Second gens were from 55 to 57, of course. 57 being the year you could get the largest V8 in it, and this one would have the 347 underneath the hood. Appears to be an era correct engine, according to the stamping on it. This car is also equipped with automatic transmission, power steering. Electric fan has been added up in the front also to help keep this one cool. We'll start it up a little later and I'll show you underneath the hood. Black paint is very nice on it. Say it's at the upper echelon of a driver quality. This one you won't have to be afraid to take any of your local shows. Cruise-ins, hop in it and go. You can take a look at the bright work up here too, and look at how nice that chrome is on this car. Also the Continental package in the back. It's a great looking car. These here spears do light up. Those are an option in 57. And when I start it up, I'll click the lights on so you can check it out. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Number we can be reached at, 507-386-1726. And there'll be a link down below this video in the description. Click on that. That'll take you right there. As you can see, era correct Pontiac wheel covers. Wide whites. A little story about this car. It was with the previous owner for 35 years approximately. Gentleman just decided to part with it. He's the one that actually had the restoration done on it. He was here in our area in Minnesota, but this car was actually kept in Arizona, is where we had it shipped from. Gentleman kept it there for this nice warm weather car. It could be your warm weather car too. Now we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Take a look at the bright work and the Continental package back here. Exhaust exiting out through the bumper. Great looking Pontiac, and again you can see the bright work and paint. Also nice back here in the rear of the car, up and down the sides of this, you can see how straight this car is also, especially with the black paint, because that will show imperfections in bodywork, and you can see how nice it looks on this one. I'm going to go ahead, let's check out the interior. By the way, the top is white. It is in nice shape. We got kind of a gray and white two-tone interior going on. The top also is power. Power top works fine. It has had a little later model AM/FM cassette player added as far as the radio in it. Other than that, pretty much stock looking dash, also in very nice shape. Steering wheel, also good shape. Door panels. Like I said, this car was restored by the gentleman that owned it for 35 years approximately, or restored during the time he had it, and it's been very well taken care of. You can tell that. Wait till you see the engine bay and everything else. Very nice also. See how easily it starts? Just a little rumble coming out of that V8 underneath the hood. Here's that all the gauges are working properly, as well as that power top. Slip around to the back here so you can hear it. Nice little rumble coming out of that. If you want to take a look at the top, those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below the video here in the description, there is a link you can click on, take you right there. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. But first, let me do this. Let's click those lights on. I wanted to show you. Those spheres light up. Pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this. Let's pop that hood and check out the engine bay. Alright, so first off, take a look under the hood. Very nice. Now the engine bay, there's the electric fan I mentioned earlier. Power steering. So you can see how smooth that engine's running. Nice and quiet. That's the way you'd expect out of a well-maintained car. So there you have it. 1957 Pontiac Star Chief convertible. Star Chief was the creme de la creme of the Chieftain series. Now's your chance to own one. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below in the description. Take you right there. We do consider financing. Excuse me. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can get this car transported to where you're located at. Look forward to hearing from you.